What if I told you that the majority of Americans, nearly 80%, will spend their entire lives broke, trapped in a cycle they don't even realize they're in? Imagine working decades, collecting paychecks, buying things that make you feel successful, yet reaching retirement with little more than anxiety and debt. It sounds shocking, but it's the reality for millions. And the most unsettling part? It's not because people don't earn enough. It's because of the habits and beliefs that quietly sabotage them. Let's start with the hook. Picture a hamster wheel. Every payday, people run faster, chasing bills, chasing upgrades, chasing the illusion of progress. But no matter how fast they run, they never get off the wheel. Why? Because they confuse income with wealth. They believe that earning more automatically means they're doing better. But wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, how much you grow, and how much control you have over your money. So why do 80% stay broke? The first reason is lifestyle creep. Every time income rises, spending rises too. A raise becomes a new car. A bonus becomes a vacation. A promotion becomes a bigger house. Each upgrade feels deserved, but each upgrade locks people into a higher baseline. What once felt luxurious becomes normal, and soon even more is needed to feel satisfied. The cycle never ends, and savings never grow. The second reason is debt dependency. Credit cards, car loans, student loans, mortgages, these tools can be useful, but for most, they become shackles. Debt creates the illusion of affordability. You can have it now, pay later. But later always comes, and with it, interest that eats away at future wealth. Debt isn't just financial, it's psychological. It convinces people they're richer than they are, while quietly draining their future. The third reason is lack of financial literacy. Schools teach algebra, history, and science, but not how to budget, invest, or build wealth. Most people learn about money from parents who struggled themselves, or from advertising that encourages spending. Without knowledge, people repeat the same mistakes, chasing status, ignoring savings, and trusting that somehow, someday, it will all work out. But hope is not a strategy. Now let's talk mindset. At the core of staying broke is belief. Many believe money is scarce, so they cling to it tightly, yet spend impulsively when emotions take over. Others believe money is endless, so they treat it carelessly, assuming more will always come. Both beliefs are dangerous. The truth is, money is a tool. It reflects habits, discipline, and choices. If you treat it with respect, it grows. If you treat it recklessly, it vanishes. Here's the tension. Most people don't realize they're sabotaging themselves. They think the problem is external, the economy, their boss, the government. But the deeper problem is internal. It's the mindset that says, I deserve this now, instead of I'll build for later. It's the habit of chasing comfort today at the expense of freedom tomorrow. And it's the belief that wealth is for other people, not for them. Breaking free requires a shift. First, awareness. See the hamster wheel. See the cycle for what it is. Second, discipline. When income rises, lock in savings before spending. Treat raises as opportunities to grow wealth, not expenses. Third, education. Learn how money works. Read, study, and seek mentors who understand finance. And finally, mindset. Redefine success. Success isn't keeping up with neighbors. Success is creating a life where money serves you, not controls you. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. Will you look back and see a trail of paychecks spent on fleeting upgrades, or a trail of disciplined choices that built freedom? Will you be part of the 80% who stay broke, or the 20% who break the cycle? The choice is yours. The habits are yours, and the future is yours. So here's my challenge. What's the one money habit you've noticed in yourself or in others that keeps people broke? Share it in the comments, because your insight might be the wake-up call someone else needs.